In this new era, your success isn't defined by how hard you work, but by how intelligently you leverage AI. True marketing mastery comes from three core pillars: automation, precision, and content creation. Think of your content as your global currency. By using AI systems to automate your outreach, you stop guessing and start knowing. This is the difference between a struggling business and a content-driven legacy. I've mentored thousands, and the secret is always the same: bridging your vision with the right technology. If you are ready for a new career, a remote job, or to launch your own business, it's time to take action. This is my advice: master these tools before they master the market. For more in-depth training and mentorship, feel free to reach out. Let's build your future together. Like and follow for more.